If you're not the most motivated person or you struggle with laziness, but you still want to make money, I've got 5 solutions for you. Lazy people can come up with really creative solutions that hardworking people wouldn't even think to try. It can be an asset if you use it in the right way. In this video, we're going to be covering 5 lazy ways that you can make money as a beginner that will help get that cash rolling in. Now there is some work that's still required, but compared to what's out there, these are going to be a piece of cake. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make your account go. Now let's start with the first method, and that's going to be proofreading. Proofreading is when you go over text and you check for any errors before it's published. And we can use websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Guru to find easy proofreading jobs that we can start straight away. So let's jump on Guru and I'll show you exactly what I mean. We're on the website Guru and we just searched proofreading, and as I scroll down the list, I saw one that was interesting called Help Me Complete My Tarot Deck. This job is $500 to $1,000. There's a little bit of design in it, but it looks like a great place to start. And if we scroll through, we can see jobs for $500. We can see another one here for 500 to 1K. Here's one for 1 to 2.5K. And here we are on Fiverr. I just did a search for proofreading, and I'm going to scroll through some of the sellers here to get an idea of what they're charging. So you can see some are charging $40 to $60 from 160. This guy's charging 168, but then again, this is academic proofreading. Another $160 offer. So now we can head over to ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini to help us do the proofreading. And here's an example of what it might look like. I've just found this website called Longest Text Ever. I just copy a chunk of text over to ChatGPT. I'll just ask ChatGPT to help me proofread the text, and I'm going to paste the text in, and away ChatGPT goes. It's a bit extreme, but this gives you an idea of how easy this method is. Moving on to the next lazy method, that's renting out stuff. This isn't talked about much in the side hustle world, but in your house, you're going to have gear that just sits around where you could be collecting cash. Things like power tools, camping gear, party supplies. You can even rent out a car or a bedroom. Here's Fat Llama, and this is where you can rent anything from people in your area. Here's a few categories. You've got film and photography, DJ equipment, drones, electronics, electric scooters. Look, they even do vehicles here. And if you're an Apple user, you can use something like Peer Renter. I've actually got friends who are also using Turo to rent out their car. And of course, you can use Airbnb to rent out a single room or a whole house if you got it spare. The next lazy method I want to talk about is affiliate marketing, and this one is near and dear to my heart because there's so many options for how to do it. There's places like ClickBank that has a huge range of products where you'll easily be able to find a product that you want to promote. There's plenty more like Impact.com, Partner Snack. Believe it or not, you can be an affiliate for Amazon products, and if you've got any particular skill where you have a following, you can recommend software like Shopify or Go High Level, and there's some really great commissions available. And when it comes to promotion, you can do organic, you can do paid advertising. The beauty is once you've set everything up, it can be recurring revenue that's really easy to make, and why I really love this method. Fourth on the list, and I'm sure you heard it before, but I can't ignore it, and that's going to be a faceless YouTube channel. People are making thousands of dollars through these YouTube channels because they're providing value or entertainment. And you can use tools like AI to come up with the whole video for you. So all you have to do is go to nvidia.io, type in what you want, and it will go ahead and create a video for you. Then you can use software like 11 Labs to do the voiceover for you, and you have an entire clip generated by AI within minutes. And when you get really good, I've heard of people making 100 clips in less than an hour. The trick here is to pick a niche that you're passionate about. You really want to look at the first 30 seconds of your video to see what your retention is like. Look at your click-through rate from your thumbnails. Once you get this system going, it's really easy to maintain and you'll be raking in the dough. Now the last method I want to talk about is called site seeking. I did a whole video about it, but I'll briefly explain it again. That's where you look through something like Google Maps or Yellow Pages to find companies that don't yet have a website. Once you find a niche that you're happy with, you're going to message the owner, you're going to track down the email address or DM them and offer to build them a website. You can price it anywhere from $200 to $1,000, and then you're going to use AI to build the website for you. This is a great way to start a business because you're learning all parts of a business, and it's really easy to do. Just remember that being lazy is okay, but not taking action isn't. The difference between someone having a business and someone that doesn't is that person who doesn't has just not taken action. Now if you're interested in making money online and you want to start a business but you keep getting stuck in analysis paralysis, then subscribe to my email. There I'm going to send you 17 solid side hustles that you can start today to start building your online business empire. And if you want to learn more about site seeking, which is the last lazy method that I told you about, click on this video right here and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. Cheers.